Operation Pike Rescue. Do not believe, but in this footstep fish is trapped. See there? This one. And I think it's little pike that size. Now I can see him. Oh, there he is. Where is he now? Oh, there. See? A wee pike. Very big. Bigger I ever catch it. How he managed to get there in this footstep. I think when his water was quite high. So let him put back to the river. And I hope he will grow very big. But for pike like this, survival chance is only 9%. Go and live long.